Today I'm going to show you how to see linked accounts on Epic Games in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want to check which console accounts, social accounts, or other services are connected to your Epic Games profile. Whether you're trying to manage your account, troubleshoot login issues, or simply review your connections for security, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process from start to finish. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to epicgames.com. Once the page loads, sign into the Epic Games account that you want to check. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and hover over your display name. A menu should appear. From that menu, click Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different account options. Find and click on Linked Accounts. This section is where Epic Games keeps all of your connected services in one place. Once the Linked Accounts tab opens, scroll to the bottom of the page. There, you'll be able to see the list of accounts linked to your Epic Games account. This may include platforms and services that you've connected over time, so it's a good place to double-check everything that has access. If you are looking to review your connections for security reasons, this is the perfect place to start. And if you ever need to manage or disconnect one of those accounts, you'll usually do that from this same area as well. So to recap, you go to epicgames.com, sign in, hover over your display name, click Account, open Linked Accounts, and scroll down to view every account connected to your Epic Games profile. It's fast, simple, and only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick guides, gaming tips, and account help videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.